Shankar Prakash, extending a very, very warm welcome to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ದಿನದ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆದರದ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Whose priceless and outstanding publications are
It's always been said that the intellectuals' participation has not been enough, particularly in the growth of democracy, but today's conference will go a long way. Sri K.V. Satish. Has been in the real estate sector since 2005 and has been actively involved in several ventures. He is the founder and chairman of the DS Max Group. He is the driving force behind the company's initiatives in the geographies it operates. Has close to a decade of experience and in the real estate industry, DS Max is a revolutionary force for affordable housing. He has won several awards, Vasundhara 2012, and of course, he has established charity foundations and contributing immensely as a philanthropist. Congratulations to Sri Satish.